Hey buddies, I want to take a journey back to 1975 and the great Demis Roussos, and 3 videos I discovered, all I think from RTVE, España TV special, which features some mind-blowing special effects. Here he is on a big champagne cork. Ooh, look at that. And the ladies too, ladies. And then later on we've got, obviously keen on this technology, we've got this great sequence on a kind of dodgem car going on a train track. And then later on some funky piano here. I've marked out an area we'll come to later. There he is. Okay, a bit more standard this. Right, so what was bothering me was I was like looking at this thinking, oh, this is 1975, and I'm actually thinking, well, how did they do it? Because his hair is really good, okay, and he's wearing very shiny material, and he's on a shiny cork, okay, and so that would present problems for blue screen. It probably is blue screen, okay, but not green screen because he's got green shoes. All right, but we go back in time, go back to 1993, 20 years later. Look at Michael Jackson's hair there. Still haven't quite got it right, even with a much more expensive video. And here we go. Look at this hair there, because it tends to break, you know, bits that are fine. You know, got a spaceship with hard edges. That's great, but if you've got like bits that are fine on a green or blue screen, they often tend to break up. They catch a bit of the reflection of the colour, whatever reason, and so that's always been, even to this day, difficult. Okay, so I'm looking here, and look at that lovely hair. So, look at that. Now it's very, very brightly backlit, so I think that might be one of the things which is making it okay. So part of me, when I first saw this, I thought, oh, is it back projection? But then I watched it again, I realised that the camera is zooming in and out, okay, on these shots here. There we go, so you'll see it kind of coming in and out. But the background doesn't zoom in and out, so if that was back projection, everything was zooming in and out together. Okay, but the background just stays at the same distance. So they're separate things. They're not going moving in and out of the same camera. This is just kind of stock footage. So and then a crazy part of my brain was thinking, is a big pole sticking out behind him and it's moving him forwards and backwards? No, it must be a blue screen, I'm thinking. So I'm thinking the backlighting is helping here with his hair. Okay, and then, okay, they're just kind of faded on top of each other in a kind of cross dissolve. That's easy. Okay, with the smoke and the kind of backing singers, dancers there. All right. And if you go to here, you can actually, I've got a better clip of the car. You can see here that if I actually look at his hair here, and you kind of go one frame, you can see a little bit of that. You see there? Just sort of popping in and out. You can see a bit of that artifact in, and this is quite compressed footage as well. Okay, and even here, you can see a little bit of it on the bumper as well. Okay, so there you go. And if you go back to this one as well, you can actually see some kind of around his boots. You can kind of see, you know, it's very quick there, but you can again see that kind of classic green screen breaking apart. But you know, for 1975, well done.